Alright fellas, today is an update on my son's car. We're going to pull the K-member today, put the tubular one in. We would like to have painted, but it's cold outside. I don't think the paint's going to work. So, 95 Mustang, about to put a tubular K-member in it, then the motor can go in. That was all we were waiting on, was the K-member. And then I got to pull the shifter out of the Camaro. That's what we're going to give him, as the shifter out of the Camaro, because I got an aftermarket shifter. I got a Hurst shifter for the Camaro. So we're just going to use the stock shifter and put it in here. And then we got a computer with a 4L60E attachments to it, so that's where we're at. I think we're about to get it in. Anyway, so I'll show a little update. Alright, K-member's in. Got the spring perches installed so we can reinstall the springs. So we ran into an issue. The bolts on the factory K-member for the rack and pinion are a little too short, so we had to go and we're gonna have to go get some bolts for that that'll fit. No big deal. But there's that's in. Boom. And then we're almost done with this. And then we already have a transmission cross member for the LS. So we're gonna be putting her back together today to get this part done, and then we'll see what happens. Anyway, show you when it's done.